Project-Driven Supply Chain, or PDSC, integrates Oracle Supply Chain and Project Management Clouds to provide an enterprise-grade solution for manufacturing and asset-intensive companies. PDSC is flexible enough to be adapted to various manufacturing, distribution, and asset construction and maintenance projects. PDSC supports the entire quote-to-cash process for manufactured goods. It can be used for associated project-based processes such as turnkey sell, install, and service, or to supply spare parts for maintenance contracts. A sales quote is prepared in Oracle Configure Price and Quote, CPQ, based on a project template that outlines activities to design, develop, and manufacture custom batteries. The quote contains itemized costs and revenue. A quote is configured and altered until it is accepted. Once accepted, a project is created. The accepted quote is converted into a project in Oracle Project Financial Management, utilizing supported services. Oracle Project Financial Management Cloud offers a modern enterprise-grade solution for project-centric businesses. Oracle Project Financial Management Cloud's activity work breakdown structure represents the tasks of the project and their schedule. A financial breakdown structure is also created, which represents the budgets and costs by task. Budgets are imported from the accepted quote in Oracle CPQ. Costs come from either supply chain transactions or through direct entry to Oracle Project Financial Management Cloud through other systems. This structure enables the tracking of project cost, progress, as well as the burn rate. A sales order is created to ship the batteries to the customer, and project attributes are entered on sales order lines. These project attributes will be carried forward through the entire fulfillment process. The sales order, like other documents, can be created using the application UI, through a REST service, or imported into the system through file-based integration. A project-specific purchase requisition to buy components is created. The requisition creates a project commitment that is carried forward to the purchase order. The commitment is relieved and replaced by the actual costs of the purchase order once receipt and put away occurs. Project attributes entered on the requisition are carried forward through the entire procure-to-pay lifecycle. The purchased order is received with project attributes and put away into project-specific inventory. On-hand quantity is verified by project and task. The system provides the ability to manage and value inventory by project and task. Inventory functions such as inventory transactions or cycle count can also be performed by project and task. With components on hand, the manufacturing of the batteries can start. A project-specific manufacturing work order for the batteries is created. Project attributes on the work order are used for picking project-specific components and for sending material and resource costs to the project as expenditure. Batteries completed on this work order carry forward the project attributes from the work order to on-hand, where they remain segregated by project and task. Based on the setup, a work order can use a combination of project-specific and common inventory material. When project-specific material is used, the project incurs no additional cost because the project already owned the material. If common inventory material is used by the work order, the cost of the material is charged to the project. After work order completion, a pick slip for shipping the batteries to the customer is created. The pick slip inherits the project and task from the sales order to ensure project-specific picking. Project attributes are carried forward to shipment. The customer is invoiced based on the billing method specified in the associated contract. The system supports many billing methods, such as time and material, cost plus, progress, or milestone. During project execution, project performance can be reviewed by comparing project commitments and actual costs to the budgets. The system gives cost to date as well as estimate at completion. Close integration between Oracle Supply Chain Management and Oracle Project Financial Management Cloud enables the identification and correction of each transaction that posted supply chain costs into project. Asset-intensive companies use product-driven supply chains to construct and maintain their infrastructure, such as cellular network or gas pipelines. PDSC provides an integrated solution for purchasing and transferring material to the project site on schedule, performing project-specific maintenance, and capturing material and resource costs on the project to track budget, commitments, and actual costs. PDSC can also be extended to create assets from project. Asset-intensive companies create transfer orders to transfer inventory from one inventory organization to another or to a project site. They typically use this process to buy inventory into a central warehouse and send the material to a project site when required in construction. Asset-intensive companies also create project-specific maintenance work orders to serve an asset or install equipment. Material and resource costs on this work order are interfaced to project as project costs. Product-driven supply chain can be used to effectively and efficiently execute project-specific supply chain, reduce risks, and control costs. Please contact your Oracle account executive for additional details and to request a product demonstration.